Hello beautiful people! Welcome sa ating channel. Today's video, we will unbox. Meron po akong PR kit na pinadala ng Freshphilippines. Actually, nabuksan ko na po ito, pero gusto ko lang talagang i-flex ang binigay ng Freshphilippines. They are so generous at hindi lang po isa, marami po sa kanilang new launched products ang binigay sa akin. We will begin with this. Ito po ang Fresh Clean Beauty for All. Napawaw ako kasi super dami po ng mga freebies. Thank you so much for sending this over para aking matry and maibahagi din sa inyong lahat. We will now open it. Sitting! If you are new to my channel, meron na po akong mga videos using Fresh Skin Lab and also the Fresh Hairlab. I tried their sunscreen, yung milk sunscreen nila, and also their shampoo and conditioner. This is 3-in-1 Niacinamide Dark Spot Foam Wash. Cool Complex claims to fade dark spots, reduces appearance of pores, protects skin from free radicals. Jeju Aloe Eyes 3-in-1 Niacinamide Dark Spot Foam Wash. It has niacinamide plus vitamins B3, B5, B6, and E. 100 ml, made in Korea. Actually, na-try ko na po ito siya. Kahit ang teenager ko, ina-try ko din siya. And kasi ang dami niya yung pimples ngayon dito sa forehead niya. Amazing for just 2 days of trying this. Yung mga little bumps niya dito ay talagang lumiliit. Pero meron pang konti dito. Meron siyang cooling effect pag ilalagay mo sa mukha mo. Yan ang first impression ko sa kanya. I will have a separate product review of this one. Jeju Aloe Eyes Dark Spot Toner, Cool Complex. It claims to fade dark spots, reduces appearance of pores, protects skin from free radicals. The same po ang ingredients niya sa foam wash. I also tried this one. First impressions pa lang po ako. Lahat sila may cooling effect talaga. Tea tree ang scent. They also give me their 3-in-1 Niacinamide Cooling UV Sunscreen. The same then Cool Complex, UVA, UVB, and Blue Light Protect, SPF 50, PA4+, 10 ml, also formulated in Korea. This sunscreen is perfect for indoor and outdoor use for pre-makeup skincare routine. Definitely no white cast. Tried this already. It is really sweat proof. Kahit meron na po tayong sweat, hindi po siya agad-agad nawawala sa ating skin. By the way, May 24 to 31, buy 2, take 1 po ang promo ng sunscreen nila. Soothing Gel Lotion, Cool Complex 98%, claims to fade dark spots, reduces appearance of pores, protects skin from free radicals. It has 3% niacinamide plus vitamins B3, B5, B6, and E. Dermatologically tested, made in Korea. 120 ml. First impression is maganda siya ilagay sa fridge kasi super lamig niya. Tapos iba siya sa usual na aloe gel na ginagamit ko. This is unique. Meron po siyang white color. It's like a lotion when you apply on your skin. Hindi po sila nagtitipid kung namimigay sila. They also give me cooling facial wipes. You can also have this purchased by one take one po siya. So not just one, but 2 of their facial wipes. Maganda ito for removing our makeup. Aims to remove makeup, gently cleanses, soothes, and moisturizes. This is aloe vera infused. Ang napansin ko lang sa skincare na set na ito is mostly ang content nila is niacinamide, B3, B5, B6 plus vitamin E. Meron siya. This is the second PR kit na binigay nila sa akin. And I super love the transparent bag kasi magagamit ko pa ito kung pupunta ng beach or pwede din naman siyang kikay kit bag. This comes with its Fresh Hairlab Mint and Tea Tree Bubble Boost Zinc Serum Shampoo, Smooth complex, so for dandruff control. It claims to be alcohol, paraben, and cruelty-free in 430 ml. I will let you see. Ito po siya. So, it's kind of green. Tapos, hindi siya sticky. Minty po ang smell niya. Of course, binigyan din nila ako ng conditioner. Pag pumunta kayo sa Watsons, meron po sila mga promo. Buy one, get one of this product. The same din sila. It's double boost zinc serum conditioner treatment. Kailangan yung ilalagay mo sa palm mo, yung talagang sapat sa kung gaano kakapal ang buhok mo. Same po ang bango nila sa shampoo. It has mint and tea tree scent. The cooling effect ay super love it talaga. Yung naliligo ka na parang merong ice ang buhok mo. Ganon na feeling talaga. I will have a separate video using these two products, the shampoo and conditioner. I have this new product, the Fresh Hairlab 15-in-1 Haya plus Keratin Fruity Fresh and Floral Blossom Freshen Complex, used for styling and protecting our hair against UV rays. It makes your hair tangle free, so wala po tayong mga buhok dyan na makikita sa taas. Bongga, para pong naka-perfume ang ating hair. Fruity smell naman po ito ang aking first na na-try. 119 pesos only for this 50 ml. It has 15 hair benefits in every spray. It softens, shines, smoothens, detangles, anti-freeze, tames fly away, nourishes and strengthens, long-lasting fragrance, heat protection, UV sun protection, anti-hair fall, manageable hair, improves volume and texture, repairs dry and damaged hair, pre plus post styling care. Ito ang kanilang floral blossom. Magkapareho po ang kanilang packaging, just that different lang po ang kanyang variant. I will try to smell. Depende lang kung anong scent ang gusto nyong gamitin, but all of their scents are very good smell and hindi po siya irritating sa nose. Freshphilippines, thank you for sending over this so amazing products. So that's about it for today's video. See you again on my next product reviews, especially on the Fresh Skin Lab and Hair Lab products. Thank you, beautiful people.